Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about show and hide the subtotals or grand totals in pivot tables. Let's get started. Click on the pivot table. Then click on the Design tab. Next, click on Subtotals. A drop-down menu will appear. You can hide the subtotals, show subtotals at bottom of group, or show subtotals at top of group. Click on Show Subtotals at top of group. And now the subtotal is showed at the top of each group. Now, I will move on to talk about grand totals. First, click on Grand Totals. A drop-down menu will appear. You can hide or show the grand totals for rows and columns, show grand totals for rows only, or show grand totals for columns only. Click on Off for rows and columns. And now the grand total for the column is hidden. This scenario does not have grand total for row. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.